Every beat of my heart is calling you, like a rhythm only we two knew. You're the melody I can't forget, spinning in my mind like a cassette. And when you speak, it's like a song I've been waiting for all along. You're the echo in my soul, tuned in and I lose control. Our love plays loud in stereo, across the skies it starts to glow. Left and right, we're side by side, dancing hearts we can't hide. You and me, this frequency, a perfect love in harmony. Turn it up, don't let it go. We're in love in stereo. You came in like a favorite track, hit replay and never look back. From the first line that you said, you've been living in my head. And when you move, the world aligns, like a verse that fits my lines. No static when you're near, crystal clear, I only hear. Our love plays loud in stereo, across the skies it starts to glow. Left and right, we're side by side, dancing hearts we can't hide. You and me, this frequency, a perfect love in harmony. Turn it up, don't let it go. We're in love in stereo. We don't need words, just the sound of our hearts when no one's around. No mute, no pause, no rewind. This love is now, this love is mine. Our love plays loud in stereo, the sweetest sound I've ever known. Hold me close, don't let me go. You're my song, my radio. You and me, this frequency, forever love in harmony. Turn it up, let the world know we're in love in stereo.
I was lost in the noise of the night, chasing dreams under neon lights. Then your voice broke through the air, like a song I always knew was there. I was dancing alone in the rain, tuning out the hurt and the pain. Then you came like a sudden spark. Now you're the rhythm in my heart. Two hearts beat on the same time zone, found each other, we're not alone. No more static, no more fear. I hear your love in both my ears. We're hearts in stereo, loud and clear. Every moment I feel you near. Left and right, our souls align. Your heartbeat syncing up with mine. No need to tune, no need to try. This love's stereo. You're the verse I didn't write, but you make every lyric feel right. I was playing solo for too long, now we've got a lifetime song. You're the bass line deep in me, feeling every silent melody. When you hold me, I just know you and I, the perfect flow. Turn the volume up, don't fade. This love's the best track ever played. Hands held tight, don't let it end. We're more than music, we transcend. We're hearts in stereo, loud and clear. Every moment I feel you near. Left and right, our souls align. Your heartbeat syncing up with mine. No need to tune, no need to try. This love's a perfect amplified high. Can't let go, won't say no. We're forever hearts in stereo. I hear you when the silence grows. You're the calm in my echo. No matter where the world may go, our love will always flow. We're hearts in stereo, loud and clear. You're my song I'll always hear. Left and right, we're side by side, playing love we never hide.